Hello, Leslie students. I am videotaping my two sons working on iPads because we are on an iPad school, and I have found one app that works on problem solving with shopping and matching coins. Go ahead, Jonah, why don't you, but before you go in, let me show the front of it. It is differentiated with what coins look like, beginning matching the coins, shopping, intermediate, shopping. So it grows from basically grade K up to 3rd or 4th grade. And Jonah, why don't you go ahead and go into advanced or intermediate shopping?
Drag the correct change to the counter to pay. You can also double tap the coin to flip it over.
So it gives the students some choices in change to figure out how much money it would cost in change to buy an item at the store.
By dragging the coin over the correct coin picture.
And if they are not able to do the shopping yet and want to match coins, and this is my son in kindergarten, this works on matching coins and dragging the coins to match them, which might not necessarily be as much problem solving as getting to learn what those coins are, but it manipulates them and rewards them as they go. And did you want to get on for me? Can you get on Tangram now?
That's a quarter.
Asher, can you get on Tangram?
That's a penny. That's a nickel. That's $1.
And this Tangram is another app that I use in the classroom where boys and girls get to go ahead and, let me slide it this way, choose a picture to match the Tangrams to, and then tap on it, select a game, and once they've selected the game, they get to tap on it to see how it will fit in, and it gives them options on how to fill in the picture that they have chosen. And this works for, I think, maybe probably 1st through 2nd grade to kind of take a look at where they're at and fit them in. And they get to choose a puzzle that they like. Go ahead and select. And they have to manipulate on the iPad to solve the problem, solve the puzzle, to figure out how to fit their items in there. And it does give them more than one option on how to fit them in together. And would you go to Marble Math?
Okay. Marble Math.
And Marble Math is an app that is basically like a maze where it asks you a question to go through and solve the problem to get through the maze to figure out. It's got different levels as well, but you can use it to figure out how to.
Collect all the octagons.
So he's going through to collect all the octagons in a little marble maze, and once he gets there, he goes to the end, and the marble goes to the next game. And
Collect from largest to smallest.
And they have to figure out how to get through and manipulate their ball through the maze to get to all of the items and choose the correct items from largest to smallest.
Mommy, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Bong.
And will you show me the one where you have to pick it up and move it? You go back into the home.
Mama, I can't move. Quick game. You tilt it.
Okay. You have to tilt it. This is the one where you pick it up and you tilt it. So collect numbers equal to 120. So he's in one that's a little more difficult for him to do, but he has to go through and move it and collect numbers equal 120. And sometimes when you get to the more difficult ones, there are more options and more answers than just one answer. And so it just gives them another way to look at collecting and
there's keys.
choosing math. Would you go into the little digits?
Little digits.
And little digits is one that's not necessarily problem solving, but in class we've been looking at the fact that maybe just going through the drill and kill of learning addition and subtraction fact problems might not be the best way, and this helps them to learn how to do, in the concrete operational phase, use their fingers to solve the problems. Would you go into addition?
Mama, I can't find little digits.
And so they take and they put all their fingers on and it gives them the answer. And it goes up to 10.
1 plus 4 equals.
And sometimes it does go ahead and start over. That's one of the glitches in our system. But go ahead and show us again.
Tally out. Little digit. 3 plus 4 equals. 7.
Good. Do another one.
1 plus 6 equals.
Try again. 1 plus 6 equals, count on your fingers.
3.
Good.
8 plus 2 equals. 7.
Good.
3 plus 3 equals.
Very good. And that's just a few of the apps that I use that have problem solving or help us work towards problem solving.